Youths around the city of Kigali believe different false perceptions among the youth regarding the COVID-19 pandemic might be the real reason to why youths have continued to be the most infected by the virus. You find that we are so careless, as if we are not concerned at all. Most of us think because we are young and strong, we have nothing to worry about.
Most of
the youth are careless and we undermine the government's directives. But in this period, as we fight against this pandemic, I think we need to adhere to the measures in place, like wearing face masks and washing our hands. In most cases, most of us undermine these measures, giving lame excuses that face masks make us feel uncomfortable. You also find a grown-up man driving without it. Numbers registered by the Rwanda Biomedical Center RBC indicate that Rwandan youths are the most infected by the virus compared to other age groups, as explained by Dr. Nsanzimana Sabine, the Director General of the institution. In at least 268 people, close to 200 are those under the age of 39. These are young people, and I think this is due to the fact that they move a lot. And the other reason could also be that most of the cross-border drivers are youths, and they are so into entertainment, which we also found that has been attacked by the virus. In countries early attacked by the pandemic, before reaching Africa, their infection rates indicated that the most vulnerable were those with a weak immune system, as also released in the World Health Organization report of April this year. 95% of the people that lost their lives to this pandemic were above the age of 60, and 50% were 80 years and above. This being different from what is happening in Rwanda, Kajemanyi Leonard, an expert in psychology, says that the youth are misinformed by the internet and their friends, neglecting the right information provided by those with authority. Therefore, what needs to be done is to use those who understand the matters better in helping their fellows. Basing on what has always been published on the internet that the most vulnerable are only the old, this has made them feel less concerned. It would be better if radio and TV stations set up programs to educate the youth using young artists. If also necessary, they involve those that recovered from the virus. It would help refute all the false information on the internet and get them concerned. The matter of fact that no single person has died to the COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic in Rwanda, this is seen as a chance that the youth are still the only most infected, and the Rwanda Biomedical Center proves that there are measures in place to help them prevent from the deadly virus, with no age group left behind. Innocent MUGABO, RTV News, Kigali.